Do you ever use the leg extension machine when you're working out at the gym? There are a lot of misconceptions and misunderstandings about how to use the leg extension. Check out these tips to make sure you're able to maximize the effectiveness of this machine, as well as make sure your body stays safe.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long we have been and we're going to continue talking about the knee extension machine at the gym. Today specifically we're going to be talking about how straight should you get your knees when you're doing this exercise. Many people believe you should get your knees as straight as possible or get your knees as straight as possible no matter what the circumstances. Today we're gonna give you a few considerations to make sure your knees stay as safe as possible when you're doing this exercise, but it will also really increase your effectiveness.
So oftentimes when people think kind of similar to where they should be starting, they think they should be going as far back as they can. A lot of people also think, well, I need to go until my legs are perfectly straight on the way up. But the reality is you're more than likely gonna end up stopping sooner than that. So one way to gauge is just with a lighter amount of weight on, just straighten your knees as much as you can, but you need to keep your hips in place, all right? You don't want to shift your hips or shift through your trunk or try to lean back to try to get that weight up, okay? Keep everything locked in from your trunk and pelvis area, and the handlebars can really help with that. And just focus on squeezing the top of your thighs and having your legs go as straight as they will. And if they don't go all the way straight, that's perfectly fine. But pause there at the top, because another thing that people do is they use a lot of momentum to fling the weight up, okay? As opposed to easing into that top position, really squeezing into the top, pausing for a second or two, and then slowly returning down to the bottom position.
Next time you're at the gym doing the knee extension exercise, test out this form cue, especially when you're thinking about how straight should you get your knees.